Hello beautiful people, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I just wanted to make a quick video unboxing my blood trials Illumicrate edition, and it got here a couple of days ago. This is going to be really quick because this is not a full Illumicrate unboxing. I did skip the month, so we're just going to see the blood trials. I believe this comes with just simple sprayed edges and a pen. I think. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Ooh. Here goes the author's note, which I will read. Get rid of some papers. I wanted to compare the original edition to this edition, so I'll show you. So we have designed by Stacy McEnvoy, Comte, exclusive for Illumicrate. Ooh, Blood is My Gift, inspired by blood trials. Any Davenport. So that is what it's looking like. That is so cute. I need to buy one of those enamel pin flagged type of things that I can just pin everything on. I love the dagger. Oh, here goes the book. Again, this is going to be really simple because it just comes with, oh, it's bright red. It just comes with the book, which is so much smaller. Okay, well, I want to say it's UK size. I will not break or fall. What comes next? I am proud of who I am. An ambitious epic that blurs genre lines, setting futuristic technology against historical fantasy backdrop. This invigorating debut marks Davenport as a writer to watch. Publisher Weekly. So this is what the book looks like. And as you can see, it's this very similar to the original edition. It's just cropped out, so you don't see like her claws or anything like that. Oh, the book plate fell out, so this is the book plate. Didn't even know it had a book plate, but thank you so much. I will definitely tape that in there. There is no foil or anything like that, just on the spine. Nothing fancy on the dust jacket either. We have the red end papers. You know, they could have did a little bit better, I want to say. We do have the bright red sprayed edges. That's pretty much it. So let's compare the first book, the original book, which again, this book, you see the legs, you see the body, you see the claws down here, the buildings and stuff like that. You see all of that. And then here goes the Illumicrate. This one is a matte finish, and this one is definitely more of a satin type of finish. You can see the difference in the size. Major difference on top and on the side. The spines are definitely different as well. But again, it is a big difference in size as well. Overall, I love both editions because this one is giving me more of the body, the claws on her, which you learn about in the book. And you know, if this had stenciled edges, I might be more impressed, but I'm not really that impressed. Obviously, the lettering of the font has also changed. So the blood trials is at the top versus the bottom here and whatnot. I still get the moon, the full moon and stuff. So I'm not that impressed with the book, but the book is definitely a 5-star. I absolutely loved it so much. I had to get the special edition, the Illumicrate special edition that you could just buy by itself. It's not a part of any of the kits or anything like that, but love that. Let's read the author's note, because I watched a couple of her interviews and I was just really impressed. She used to be a teacher. So shout out to her. But it says, "Dear Illumicrate readers, first and foremost, thank you so much for your enthusiasm and support with the blood trials. I am so honored to become a part of Illumicrate family. While this is a work of science fantasy, so much of my identity and lived experience, my hopes and dreams, and my loved one, my loves and struggles and challenges were poured into Ikenna, her comrades, her family, and the nation's custom and politics across the world of Idu. I want to say, I don't remember, which makes it a bit scary for the blood trials to land into readers' hands, but extremely thrilling and humbling. Often people of color and marginalized voices don't see themselves reflected in Scarrow as a hero front and center in their own hero's journey in science fiction and fantasy. We've been historically, routinely regulated to the role of sidekick, comic relief, antagonist, or support. But literature, as an art form, do help shape society and the ideas that populate the globe. Who gets to be heroic and save the world and defend what they treasure, and when the day plays a part in reinforcing stereotypes and dismantling them? Ikenna is complicated, messy, fierce, proud protagonist who stumbles as much as she triumphs. She loves as ferociously as she battles, while grappling with always feeling like the other and never being caught enough in places that's her home. As a Black woman, I keenly understands that this particular struggle of Ikenna. While I strove to dive into conversation about misogyny, racism, and the toxicity of indoctrination rooted in bigotry and prejudice, while writing Ikenna's story, I greatly aimed to weave lighter aspects into her journey as well. There are fun, joy, banter, adventure, sweeping magic, love, paranormal, relationship, amidst more grim aspects of the novel. I hope you find Ikenna and the planet of Idu as special as I do. Nia, April 2022. So, absolutely love that. Overall, it's not, oh, I can't fit it into the book. It's so small. Usually I can stick it into the books, but this is definitely a small book, so I might put it in the original. Overall, I still really enjoy the fact that I wish they did a little bit more, but that's okay. This was a 5-star book for sure. For what we got with the book, sprayed edges, the nameplate, the author's note, and then also the pen. The pen is definitely my favorite for sure. I think I'm not mad at all. So that is it for this video. I hope that you liked it and enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.